Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to obtain a short link for your Amazon KDP book. This is incredibly useful when you want to share your book on social media, in emails, or any promotional materials without dealing with long, messy URLs. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to kdp.amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you to your KDP dashboard where you can manage all your published books. Next, go to Bookshelf. This is where all your published and unpublished books are listed in one place, making it easy to manage and access them. Although I don't have a bookshelf to show you right now, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do. Once you're in your bookshelf, find the book you want to share from the list. All your titles will be displayed here, so scroll through until you locate the specific book you need a link for. This step is important because you want to make sure you're getting the correct link for the right book. Right beside your book title, you'll see an option that says View on Amazon. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of countries where your book is available. Select your preferred country from this list. This ensures that when you share the link, it directs readers to the Amazon store in their region, making it easier for them to purchase. Once you make your selection, it will automatically redirect you to your book's Amazon page. Now that you're on your book's Amazon page, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where you'll find the URL for your book. Simply copy this URL from the address bar. This is your short, clean book link that you can use for sharing. It's much more professional looking than the longer URLs Amazon sometimes generates, and it makes your promotional efforts look polished and legitimate. Finally, paste the link wherever you want to share it. This could be in an email to your subscribers, on your social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook, in direct messages, or even in your author bio. The beauty of having this clean link is that it's easy to remember and looks far more trustworthy to potential readers. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained a short, shareable link for your Amazon KDP book that you can use across all your marketing channels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.